I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media. Reliq Health Technologies Incorporated, a rapidly growing global telemedicine company, has expanded its proprietary iUGO care platform to include HIV patients. Based in Hamilton, Ontario, with offices in Florida and Texas, Reliq specializes in developing innovative virtual care solutions for the multi-billion-dollar healthcare market. In response to customer demand, the company has expanded its proprietary iUGO care platform to support medicare-funded remote patient monitoring, chronic care management, and behavioral health integration services provided by clinicians treating HIV patients. The company's powerful iUGO care technology platform is a comprehensive SaaS solution that allows complex chronic disease patients to receive high-quality care in the home or other community-based settings, thereby improving health outcomes, enhancing the quality of life for patients and families, and reducing the cost of care delivery. iUGO Care provides real-time access to remote patient monitoring data, allowing for timely interventions by the care team to prevent costly hospital readmissions and emergency room visits. Dr. Lisa Crossley, CEO, stated, "There are over 1.2 million people in the U.S. currently living with HIV. Roughly 80% of these patients are under age 65 but qualify for Medicare due to disability. And since all individuals over 65 are covered by Medicare, the vast majority of individuals living with HIV qualify for Medicare-funded virtual care services delivered using the iUGO Care platform. People living with HIV are more likely to experience early onset of age-related illnesses such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and kidney disease, and tend to be more severely affected than their age-matched counterparts who do not have HIV. A large percentage of these patients do not have primary care physicians, but instead rely on specialized HIV clinics for all of their health care. Historically, these clinics have been underfunded and understaffed, which led to requests from clinic staff to have Reliq expand our iUGO Care platform to enable them to better serve HIV patients through virtual care. The expansion to our platform allows clinicians to leverage Medicare-funded virtual care programs like remote patient monitoring, chronic care management, and behavioral health integration to provide high-quality, proactive care to HIV patients while generating new revenue streams for their clinics. The average HIV clinic will receive an additional $372 per patient per month by deploying iUGO Care, while improving health outcomes and quality of life for HIV patients. Reliq expects to begin onboarding HIV patients this fall at an average revenue of $65 per patient per month for the company. Customer demand for the company's platform continues to accelerate in response to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS's, continued expansion of coverage and reimbursement amounts for virtual care services. In its recently released proposed 2022 physician fee schedule, CMS introduced 5 new billing codes for an expanded form of remote patient monitoring called remote therapeutic monitoring. These new codes provide more opportunities for healthcare providers using iUGO Care to receive reimbursement for remotely monitoring their patients, while allowing physical therapists and nurses to bill for virtual care services that were previously only reimbursable for physicians. These remote therapeutic monitoring codes expand coverage beyond the currently eligible chronic conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, congestive heart failure, COPD, and kidney disease, where in the U.S. it is estimated that 37 million Medicare-Medicaid patients have 2 or more chronic conditions. It will now include respiratory system status, musculoskeletal system status, therapy adherence, and therapy response, thereby significantly expanding the number of potential clients for Reliq as well as the size of the eligible patient population. The shares are trading at 82 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, reliqhealth.com, or email ir@reliqhealth.com. Investor relations in the United States is handled by Ben Shamsian of Lytham Partners, who can be reached at 649-829-9701 or by email at shamsian@lythampartners.com. I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media.